In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this sign out is not available due to restrictions error on your iPhone running iOS 26. So to fix this, go back to the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on screen time. Here you will need to scroll down again and tap on this change screen time passcode. Now select turn off screen time passcode. Now simply enter your passcode to verify the identity. Once you have done this, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now here you will need to scroll down and tap on accounts. Now make sure it is set to allow. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll up and turn off this content and privacy restrictions toggle. Once you have done this, simply close the settings app and then reopen it. Now go to your iCloud account, scroll down and you should be able to use the sign out option. If you still experience problems, make sure it is not a child's Apple ID. If it is, you will need to turn off restrictions for that particular account by going to the screen time menu and selecting that account. If